Good morning. Welcome back to another stream. Welcome back to another trading video. Right? Another live trading video. Here we are in the market, y'all. Y'all already know what time it is. It's time to get shmoneys, but I'm gonna tell y'all something though, real quick. I know y'all see this P&L on here on this on the screen right here. I'm just trying to turn my phone down. I can't do all the beeping. Even if I type something, it's gonna be right. I need you guys to understand something here. All right. If you were in my Telegram group, I can't keep repeating this enough, that if you're in the group, then you will, honestly see the signals that I put out for everyone to see as far as positions that I'm seeing that I'm in. Like I'm in these positions, okay? Now it might be like maybe a pip off, or just a couple clicks off, but under a pip, but it's around the same, right? Same price, right? Like today, I told the group to get in at the price of $23.75. That's right here, guys. Okay. And this is where we are now as far as the group. So, and this is 57 pip, right? We got this easy. No problem. Where are we at sitting at? Right here. We lowered our risk because now we at break even. We put it like somewhere up in here, right? Actually, it's lower, but I just want to be able to see this and control it. But we are at break even, and we are in profit. Our stop loss is somewhere in 23.71, which is TP3. I'm sorry, TP2. TP2. You could do 69 down here. I think it's pretty close. It's TP3, but TP2 is good. I had mine at 23.71, right? So if she comes back up, no matter what, guess what? I'm gonna leave with 40 clicks today, 40 pips today. And that's still good, guys. That's good money. I'm telling you. Y'all don't understand. Y'all think these numbers right here is low? No. 10 clicks is good in the market, depending on your lot size. You understand what I'm saying? If you're going in, you're getting 10 clicks, that's good, guys. Right? But anyways, let's hop into it. Let's get into the lesson. Ooh. The lesson here is, I just taught you a valuable one. Get into my Telegram group. Because if you go to my Telegram group, you'll see that I have already placed a signal at 7:16. Let me see. 7:16 on the Telegram. I dropped a signal saying sell at 23.75. And look where we are. I had targets below. Here, this was insufficiency in price. Right? This was a nice little gap. I figured, okay, this gap right here is a nice gap for us to go and take up. You feel me? We're going to fill this gap. Because they 9 times out of 10 fill gaps, right? But then I found another gap sitting below, right? So I looked left. We're on the 1. Oh, shoot. We're on the 1 minute. I ain't going to be able to see that far because this is 1 minute. But we moving here in 1 minute. So that's why I was watching the 1 minute before the stream, see what we were doing, right? But I want to take us to a higher time frame, right? Look at the setup. This is what I have been showing you guys this whole time. Accumulation, manipulation, right? Accumulation, right? The market accumulated up in here. Wasn't necessarily making highs and wasn't necessarily making lows. It was just moving sideways, right? Well, where's the manipulating side? This side. They manipulated this side up here, the tops, right? So now we do what? Our rules as smart money concept players, what we do is we know when they take a top that they're really buying to sell. And here's the evidence. And if you don't pick this up and see this every time, and I'm telling you, I'm not telling you no lies when I'm coming on here. Feel me? I'm not telling you no lies. Right? So I got my tea over here, guys. I actually got my tea today. That's what's up. I actually got my tea today. That's what I'm happy about. Right? So, all right, I'm done. It's pretty hot. All right. Yeah, I can take a sip. Delicious. All right, so we have this setup that happened before I come on the stream. Now, they tapped into insufficiency in price, as you can see right here. They tapped into it. There you go. Take a picture. This is the perfect setup, guys. I mean, perfect. You can make so much money off of just this type of setup, man. I can't preach it enough to you. You're going on here watching the wrong people trying to teach you, how to trade. These people can't see these setups as clear as what's happening right here on this channel. I only know so many people on the YouTube channel that actually trade this way. I ain't knocking and shitting on nobody else's shit. You feel me? It's just, I'm like, y'all, these people are using indicators. Just think about it. They ain't even marking like price action. They just waiting on something to cross over a line. Or this to happen, or this volume indicator to do this. I don't need none of that. You don't need it. I'm trying to tell you, you don't need it. You're being psyched out. What you need, and I'm going to tell you what you need. You need to use your eyes. You need to use your eyes, and you need to look at this chart and tell me this manipulation, this accumulation to manipulation to distribution is not happening. It is. It is. This is what I want to see on the 1 hour. Didn't I tell y'all? I'll be showing y'all. Go back. I think it was Monday. I think it was Monday. And I showed y'all. Like, watch when they accumulate. And it was a 5-minute time frame. I remember. It's a 5-minute time frame. I said, watch when they accumulate. Right? Then you're going to have to mark the tops and mark the bottoms. Wait till one side get manipulated. You'll see it. It gets taken. This same thing happened on a 5-minute, right? And I said, but wait, if it happens on a 1 hour, imagine this same thing happening on a 1 hour, which we are on a 1 hour right now. Imagine it happening on a 1 hour. How many pips would you be making? We're deep in the money. Okay? That's what I'm saying. You got to see, you can see it happening on a lower time frame. It happens very fast, and the pips are so close, you're not getting that much pips. But if you see this happening on a higher time frame, imagine that same move, that same look on a higher time frame. Look how much pips, you know what I'm saying? Look how much pips this is, right? Think about it. Okay? So you gotta mark these insufficient areas. I told y'all what they do. Look, they accumulated, reached up, manipulated, dipping and grabbing liquidity after taking all of this liquidity and then reversing. Right? Then reversing. On the 1 hour. Y'all see 1 hour right there? Okay? So, this, I be pointing out things and I want y'all to see, and I'm passionate about this. So I want to just reiterate with you on what I see and what I'm teaching y'all, and that is actually happening. I'm not teaching you some shit that's not really going on in these markets. This is exactly what's happening. And if you don't believe me, go back and watch every video I have made and wonder why I hit every fucking time. I believe in it. Whether you don't, or whether you do, I do. And I'm going to tell you that this skill set has freed me mentally and financially. I'm just saying, nothing else in the world has done that. I wake up in the morning ready to get on this stream with y'all. Y'all don't even know I be prepping. You know what I'm saying? I don't just roll over at 7:59 and then hit the start stream button at 8. No. I'm up. Alarm goes off 6 o'clock. I'm up 2 hours before prepping to get y'all in some positions, looking at the market, making sure that my team eat. Because I want to make sure that I do my job on this planet while I'm here, because I ain't gonna be here for long, and I'm leaving behind a skill set. I'm passing on a skill set, and that we all live in an abundant world, and we can have whatever we want to have, guys. All right. So that's enough of that. Okay, let's just get in the lesson. Okay, we already been in the lesson. If you've been following me and you know what's up, you know how I trade. All right, you know that I do smart money concepts here. Okay, we've been walking down gold and walking her up. We've been finding little spots of her, walking her up, walking her down, right? Watching her dip into insufficiency and fall. We've been watching her. You know what I mean? We've been doing our thing with her. And I'm liking what I'm seeing with gold. I'm liking the fact that she's still giving this strong price action push to the downside. I haven't checked to see this morning just yet. Even though I've been up since 6, I still haven't checked because I was doing other things, right? But today, yes, we do have high news in 16 minutes. Okay? So, it's Thursday. Yep, we got high news today. But what did I always say about news, guys? So, since I know we got news, let me go ahead and put some stop losses in profit, deep in profit. Let me go ahead and take some partials real quick. Give me a second. Give me 1 second. I want to take some good smoney's. Yeah, I don't think she's coming back up in this area. All right. I'm just moving. I had my stop at the TP2. Now I got it at the TP3. That's it. That's a wrap. I'm closed. Listen, this signal was fire. This signal was fire. All right. I'm closing out with my stop loss in profit at TP3. You know what I'm saying? 50, 60 pips deep. I'm gonna just close it. I don't care. She can come up, she can flux, she can fall. Hey, fall. I love it here, fall. But I don't care. You come up and hit that stop loss. I'm stop loss in profit, baby. Stop loss in profit. I got my money. I'm good for the day. I'm actually I don't know. I'm gonna go to the gym a little early today. You feel me? We're done. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. 8:15. We're done. Y'all gotta get with me, man. Get with me, man. I'm trying to help y'all out, man. For real. We got news coming up in just a little bit. Let's go check out DXY and see what's up with DXY. And see what we might have going on with DXY. If DXY comes back up to this insufficiency in price, that looks good sitting right there. But I just want to check a 4-hour real quick. Now, gold did what? Dip into insufficiency and turned around just like they did. They dipped into insufficiency and turned around, and then they did what? Dipped more into insufficiency and pulled up off of it. You feel me? But you gotta see which ones is how they looking on the lower time frame when they are dipping. If you're not seeing that price action set up on the lower time frame, then I don't see. And if they covered, look, you can see they covered all of this insufficiency. they're covering insufficiency. I could tell on the 4 hour, but if I was to go down to a lower time frame, I could see that they are making insufficiency, and covering it. Making insufficiency and covering it. I can see that, right? So you just got to determine on which way they're gonna walk down, right? Let's see what I got here. All right. So it's looking like DXY. Let's do this. I'd rather look at DXY on the daily. That's better. Let's see what we got going. Anything poking out, sticking out to y'all? Like how she dipping in lower insufficiency. Here's a bigger insufficiency, right? They dipped what? Below. So let's do this. All of these guys are out. Let's clean it up some, right? Because if DXY can come back down, this is only a tap. Tap, tap. This was only a tap. So we got to see up in this area and then down up in this area how it looks on a lower time frame. But I'm just cleaning this up real quick, okay? All right, overall, this has been X'd out due to this candle here. And they turned around. And I bet you if I go to the 4 hour, I could find it. Where is it? This candle here. This is the candle that did it, right? This candle. So now let me see. I don't see it on the 4 hour. Let me see if I see it on the 1 hour. I gotta drop down to see it. Looking for that turnaround signal. There it is, right here. Boom. Oh, there you go. It's one. I could have waited to this one. And here's another thing that was letting me know. They said they was coming back by this gap right here. When they create this little gap right here, you better know that they're going to come and fill that, right? And they did. They came and filled that. That was an easy call with the big gap there. You know she was getting ready to go back, right? They created what we needed them to create. Here they made slippage when they came back and filled it and then created a white candle, another white candle. It's time to get in. Buys. Right? So now it's like, all right, where are they going? Well, they took all this insufficiency. They got here, here, here. Let's see how high did they get. They got so high that they got above these guys, right? So these guys is out. Boom. They got so high, picked up above these guys too. So these guys, what? They're out. Boom. Because they got above them too. Above their wicks. That's what I was looking for. I'm looking for above that wick. Right? See? You can see it. Okay? So this candle is the one. Oh, here it is. All right, let's see. It was this one. I'm trying to give it to you the best way I can. That one, right? That wick is what took these people out. It looked like it could have been this one too. Actually, it might have been this candle. That candle reached up. Look at that little wick there. And then, boom. This one reached and dipped into liquidity though. So it was this one. That's the one that did the damage. Took them out. That one. I'll get my OCD. All right, y'all. So this is the candle that did it. I gotta back that up now. All right, that one. That one got above this one. That one got above this one over here. These over here, and dipped. Also, it actually did dip into that pink, purple box, whatever. It dipped. All right, so let me see some. All right, so we kind of know what we got going on up here. So I'm want to think that this dip, then they They left this insufficiency here. This is weak. We can continue to the downside, which means that gold could eventually come back up. So let's see, gold could come up. Oh, she's already coming up. Look at the price. 23.69. All right, so looks like I'm gonna be out at 23.69. Let me see. Let me go ahead and grab this one. 23.69. Do I want it? All right. I'm trying to grab this price with all my stop loss. All right. Because I want to see how far she's getting ready to come up. I think she's getting ready to come up. Let me see, 1 hour on my MetaTrader 4. Oh yeah, she could come up a little bit. So I'm going to just take it and just give it a little bit more fluctuation room. And that should be it. I should be good there. Because I don't want her to take me out and then just dip even lower. Like, she could fly up. We got news coming. But I don't know how high she's going to go for that news. So let me just make sure she's going to. But yeah, man, guys, I'm just managing my trade right now. Y'all see that we're done. Look, she didn't dip it. She didn't dip down here. Look how she did on the 5 minute here. Well, that's, pretty good. All right. I think we're going to take it. We dipped low. We took bottom liquid. So we took top. We took bottom. We can head back to the tops. Yep. Yeah. All right. So, boom. TP, what is it? What did I get out at? TP2? Yeah, TP2. So we good. I'm good. I'm happy with that. Whatever. We're good. We're done for the day. I'm going to just go on about my business. And also, I'm going to pay attention to what we got going on right here, because we could actually come all the way back up with this news that's getting ready to happen in like 7 minutes. But she is on the move. For real. On the move. So this pump, nice little pump up right here, getting into this insufficiency, sitting right here. Let me mark it. Look how they reacting off of that. Let's see how they react off of these. We got news coming, high news, guys. Y'all, man, we ain't forgot about that. I just want to see. I'm gonna stay here a little longer because we got done early today. So I'm going to stay here a little longer and watch our high news. Let's see. Because this could have been that buy back up, all the way back up that I'm looking for, which I might end up taking eventually. I'm just waiting on her to, let me see the 1 minute. And she already did it. Dang it. Yeah. Well, I'm out of that trade and I am pretty much done, right? For the day. I'm not gonna jump in another trade without seeing what I need to see. Actually, I already saw it. They took the lows. Look, took the lows. Right? May insufficiency came back, filled it. Right? And then moved back up. Moved up. Moved up. 89 pips. You could have sold with me and then bought back down up in here because I wasn't going that low. I didn't know how. I don't know. I don't never know how low or how high they're going to go, guys. I just have a target. My target is always around the same area. I know that she can give me at least those type of pushes. And if I'm wrong, she's pushing me against me and the amount of push that I know she can do, then I'm out. I'm out of that trade. But I know she's going to give me like at least 60 pips of a push. Come on. I'm not trying to go for like the home run. I'm just trying to get on first base. I might get the second. I might get the third. I don't always got to get to the home run. All right. But I do want to talk about the fact that let's look at the 1 hour real quick and see what we got going on. All right. We have this institutional. Listen, she's going to pull back. When she dipped below these guys, she had to pull back, guys. All right. When she went above these guys, she had to pull back. When she dipped below here, she had to pull back. All right. This is a 1 hour institutional candle. She had to come back and play back into that 1 hour institutional candle. All right, we got news in 4 minutes, and I'm really trying to be patient enough to watch the news. All right, let's see what DXY doing. What you got going on, DXY? It's gonna be something crazy. I'm glad that we're not in it. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad we're not in it, though. But I do want to stay till like 8:30 just to watch it, and then I'm gonna get off the stream and go to the gym. All right, DXY looks like it wants to fall, guys. Look at this. Look at this 1 hour candle that's just sticking out, right? They came into that, right? And then they're picking up what they need to pick up, took some liquidity, and then they're falling. Could get below here too. You never know, right? Always keeping in mind what's below, right? We know we got some stuff below. Wick, obvious wicks. We got insufficiency. And then also keeping in mind what we got above. All right. So, let's see. We got news coming. 3 minutes. 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. We have to wait. I want to see more than 1 hour. And then gold. I'm gonna go back to gold. Let's see what gold gonna do. Cause look how she dipped. You know what I'm saying? Look how she dipped down here. Also look at this how she moved up into this too. I keep in mind all of those things. Now, let's go down to, let me see the 5 minute. All right, so if we're looking at the 5 minute, I'm looking at, I'm looking at what she just did. This is showing that they're wanting to move higher right before the news. They just gave us an idea right before the news that they want to move higher. So let's see if they move higher. Let's see, because they dipped down here. Look at this. They already did the engulfing candle pattern, little thingy thing right here. They might come down a little bit more. But and then the next minute, they fly up. You know what I'm saying? 30 seconds, they just go flying. That's what I want to see. So I don't know. We don't know. We never know, guys. I just want y'all to know that. It's all about just watching the markets and using your eyes as technical analysis as it happens. See how it went up a little bit? Okay, we went up and got the, look, liquidity fill to the sales, to the downside. Okay. Let's see, we went up, down. Oh, we did a liquidity fill again. Let's see if we tank. Will we tank lower or will we go higher? Because we did this fill right here, right? I caught it a little bit right up in this area. I think I want to get out in just a second. I want to let her flow, fluctuate, let her flow. Let me see what DXY is doing real quick. DXY flew up. Look at that. DXY flew up. Let's see if gold will continue to push down. Look at that. Testing this area up in here where we were getting in at. And then maybe we get this pull pushed back down. Kind of gave an idea that they wanted to buy more than they did. Quick little buy, sell. So let's see if we get the sell to get below this low right here. This is actually really nice of a sniper shot. This is really nice of a sniper shot. I tried to get as close, but my spreads with my broker is different. I get different prices than it is on ONDA. So we'll see. Let's see if we can get the push. Are we going to get the push? Or is DXY going to come? I don't even see DXY didn't even take, well, it dipped into insufficiency here, but it ain't taking the highs though. I would have thought maybe, hey, get up in this insufficiency would be dope. Given that type of push would be nice. But I'm seeing gold. It did what I needed to do, but it's gonna play with us. It's gonna play with our time. Just a little bit. That's all. Usually, sometimes, man, I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes that'd be all for the news. That'd be all the little thing they do. Just that, and then that. And then we go back to regular trading now. Right? Let's see. Get below these lows would be nice. This is just me, you know, guys, just trading with y'all right now. I'm off of the groups and stuff like that. I wanted to see what news had to offer, and I wanted to grab something. If I was gonna grab anything, I'll grab something from her. So I got a good price up in this area right here. Hold on, y'all can't even see my mouse. Up in here, right? So yeah, this was a good call, even if you did have your stop loss up here. No matter what, guys, this played out, and it should play out even more. We could bring this down here to 120, 24 pip, right? And then we might get even lower to down here to this next insufficiency in price. That would be nice, right? That would be freaking golden, right? But you also got to remember, guys, the reason why we did this little quick buy up. See, they did like a little buy up here. They went up and then down. They gave us the signal if they wanted to buy up some more. They did. Sometimes some more is only just a little bit, or some more could be a lot. You just don't know. Just know that they gonna push that bitch up first, and then they sold. So this is a nice little buy to sell right here. And then let's do this entry was on point. And now let's also look at the fact that this whole setup was nice, right? The whole liquidity above, liquidity below, liquidity above get taken, aim for the lows, taken, come back, mitigate out of the first mitigation. It will be out of the first manipulation. I mean, so you're mitigating out of the first manipulation. That's what this was. That's what this is right here. And this is why this trade will go longer. This will go deeper. I don't know how deep. It could go right here. I don't know. I can call that 280 pips down, 280, 85 pips. I don't know. It can go that low, right? We moving and grooving along. All right, so yeah, I showed you guys the setup, and we're done. That's all I wanted to do. Okay. All right, I just wanted to show you guys what's up. Now, every time, and if you're not really quite, I'm gonna do one more thing before I leave, because I want to make sure I leave here with y'all and it's clear. Okay. Now, this is what I looked for, and this is what you guys need to look for. Double top, right? You got the double bottom. You can even do triple top. You know, you can do this. And then watch when it takes a side, right? Watch it come down. Take the other side. It will come up, mitigate out of here, and then it will come down. It will do this every time, even if you flip it. So if you want buys, you know what to do. Flip this and do the same thing. If you want sales, wait on this to form in the market. Wait on one side to get taken, and then they take the other side. When they take the other side, they will come back and mitigate out of the side that they manipulated the most, which was the top, and then they will, continue, either do a continuation or whatever. But I'm just saying, like, you guys are understanding where I'm coming from. When I say, look, the liquidity sits here, because liquidity sitting here, liquidity sitting here. This side gets taken first, right? Then this is the money side now, right? It's the money side now, down here. And then this is what the market looks like. That's what this is, guys. This is exactly what this is. This is all that I'm looking for. All right. So that's our 50th win on stream, right? 50th win on stream, guys, man. I'm definitely getting ready to celebrate the day. I'm going to celebrate the day straight up. Today's a celebration day. I ain't talking about like liquor or nothing like that. Nah. I'm finna treat myself to something real good. You feel me? Because I like this. I like that I got this my 50th win on stream, record on stream. Like that's what's up. That's what's up, right? Numbers don't lie. People do. Okay? So yeah, let's just get it popping, y'all. I'm done for the day. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Don't forget, tomorrow I'll be here 8 a.m. Eastern time. All right. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. You like my channel, share my channel. If you know another trader that's struggling with their trading and they need help with their trading and they looking for mentorship and they don't got the money to pay for it, send them my way. You feel me? I got some mentorship sitting right here. I'm giving it basically away for free. I'm showing y'all not just the mentorship. I'm showing y'all how to get in, engage into these markets, get your entries, and how to think. Okay? So, yeah. Guys, appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one. Take it easy. Do something productive today. It's what you do off of the stream or when the market is closed. That's when your work is going to really show, right? So I'll see you guys tomorrow. One love, peace. Modizo out.